The New South Wales Government is proud to bring you the 5th annual New South Wales Small Business Month in March 2022. The theme this year is Rebuild, Recharge, Renew. The March 2022 program will feature a variety of events and activities to help small businesses bounce back from their recent challenges and inspire them to achieve greater success. It's about helping businesses find new and better ways of doing business, learning new skills and connecting with other small business owners and operators. Check out all the information you need to participate at smallbusinessmonth.nsw.gov.au. Together we can rebuild, recharge and renew New South Wales small businesses.